Today I've been called out here to do this bathroom remodel, and I want to walk you through step by step of how to remodel your bathroom. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Our plan here is to remove this this bathtub that we have here and put a standing shower right there. We're also going to remove the toilet and put a small toilet, so we need to put a receptacle right behind there. Also the door here, to me the door is not as door because I just see the door is opening right into the shower. So my plan here is to remove this vanity here and put it right over there. So we're only going to have a 30-inch vanity over that side, and then this way we can open the door back this way.
This bathroom was not functional at all. The layout feels tight. The door placement don't make sense to me, and overall it just need a full upgrade. So in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how we gonna completely transform this space into a modern bathroom. The plan here is to completely change the layout. As you see, it's not functional. We are relocating the vanity, adjusting the door swinging to make the space more functional, upgrading the lighting and give it a clean modern look. We're also adding a stand-up shower, LED niche with lighting, and going with a black and white design with gold accent.
So right now guys, we're going to turn off the water because we're about to start to take our tile off the wall. We don't want to. So we turn off our water now, so we don't have no water in our pipes. Now we can go ahead and start it to take off our tile.
So first thing first, we're starting with the demolition, removing everything so we can rebuild the space properly from scratch. Once everything is removed, we're moving on to preparing the space, adjusting the plumbing, making sure everything is positioned correctly for the new layout. We are also run new electrical for pot lights and LED lighting to really elevate the looks of the bathroom. Alright, so first thing first, we're stripping down everything, getting rid of the old bathroom completely so we can rebuild the right way.
Alright, so we have to do some conversion. We have to do a bit of chipping here.
Right here, we're adjusting the plumbing because the new layout is completely different. And this part has to be precise.
So this is how I made my connection. This is the best way how I see how I can connect it, guys. You don't have much option here for this one, so this is how I'm gonna connect it. So the height of where I place my drain pipe is 20 inches from the finishing floor. Now I'm gonna put my water supply line 22 inches from the finishing floor, 4 inches apart. So we want to go 4 inches apart from the center line. So we need to have something here to kind of support it. So I'm going to cut a piece of wood that I can go right in between here. to go with 32 inches.
The floor is usually 38 to 48 inches is the height for your shower valve, about 38. The drain out, this drain took me a little while to remove it. As you see, we have to chip out a bit of the concrete. Look inside, there's a lot of hair built up in there. So I removed this old P-trap. Reason why I moved it, because it was, as you see earlier, was closer to here. The drain that we're gonna put in there, it's like a 6x6, so we need to remove it away from the wall a little bit. So now we're gonna put in a new P-trap in here now. This is the P-trap here that I'm gonna use. So we're just gonna cement it in place. Okay, so this is where we're at on our project. We finished the plumbing, try to soundproof it as much as I can. Now at the same time, we are running new electrical for pot lights and LED lights, just to give it that modern feels. So I have a scrap piece of drywall here. I'm just gonna sit this on the floor. You always wanna sit your drywall ½ inch from the floor. You never wanna go right directly onto the floor with your drywall. So we're taking our measurement now. This would be 37 3/4. And we already know that our measurement across is 61 inches. Now let's go and cut it. This right here is where most people rush. But this is actually the most important stage. Making sure everything is level, straight, and ready for tile. This wall that I'm working on here is a fire separation wall. So afterwards we're going to use a red guard to waterproof the entire section here. We have to use it. You see this drywall here is a 3/4 inch drywall. Yeah, so get everything right is crucial, because at the end of the day, if this part is off, the whole bathroom is off. So run it like that, and you can just use your hand and just flat it out like that. Hold on this end just like you see I'm doing it, and then you just put your hand here, and then you can just flat it out just like so. We're gonna put the thing here. Now this is where things really start to come together. Unfortunately, I did lose some of the footage doing the tile installation. but I'm gonna show you exactly how it all turned out. What do you think about this transformation? What would you do different? Leave them down in the comment section. This right here completely changed the space. From the lighting to the finishing, everything just came together. We also installed a floated vanity just to open up the space more and keep that clean, modern look. And this is how everything turned out. Clean, modern, and way more functional than before. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I would love to hear your thought. And if you are thinking of upgrading your space or doing a bathroom remodel, you can check out us at 1kb.com to book your free consultation. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.